Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug in and select your mic, then test it so voice registers. Aim for peaks around -6 decibels. Once done, open Unturned settings, navigate to audio, and enable voice chat. Choose push-to-talk if you want control, or open mic for constant capture. Make sure to assign a PTT key that isn't used elsewhere. You'll save time by confirming the device and keybinds before joining a server. This prevents in-game surprises and lost communication. You join the server and immediately check its voice mode because servers can be team-only, global, or proximity-based. This affects how you communicate. Once inside, open the in-game voice options to set range and proximity falloff so nearby players hear you clearly while distant voices fade. Make corrections to volume and add mic boost sparingly to avoid clipping. Use channels when available. Switch to team or faction chat, mute disruptive players, and tweak individual volumes to keep squad coordination. You finish by running a quick practice. Talk with a squad mate to confirm clarity, latency, and that PTT responds instantly. Make final checks, update audio drivers, restart Unturned if needed, and verify your OS and firewall permissions allow the game to use the microphone. If problems occur, try toggling between open mic and push-to-talk, reselecting the input device, and lowering mic boost to stop clipping. These steps resolve the majority of issues. If not, restart the PC and retest to isolate system-level problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.